When you do aerial yoga, it ignites almost this childlike quality within inside of you that wants you to investigate fun.
Good afternoon. Chances are you began your day like any other day. You got out of bed. You splashed water on your face.
Go-to oils are very likely going to be your olive oil and your canola oil. I like these oils for cooking almost everything.
Technology is advancing so quickly. We're all using mobile devices now. 3 years ago, a lot of people were predicting that wasn't going to be the case.
Next week, I'll teach you how to make cozy cocktails that'll keep you warm all winter long. I'm your host, Stacey Starson, and as always, stay spooky.
Kaffee und Kuchen, wie schön. Dazu ein Glas Wasser, das ist gesund. Aber es kommt aus der Flasche mit dem Weichmacher. Was im Kuchen ist, möchte ich gar nicht wissen.
Over 75% of people looking to rent would go to the internet first as the ultimate universal meeting spot of both lenders and renters.